EasyPick rubber installing machine has received a technology breakthrough for rubber pickup. The newly upgraded EasyPick module features an intelligent rubber picking up system. It reduces strip generation and production time, boosting efficiency by over 50%. It uses multi-needle system to flexibly handle larger strips, covering a gripping range from 4 by 6 mm up to large irregular strips of 100 by 25 mm. The system intelligently recognizes strip profiles and automatically selects the optimal needle array for stable, reliable picking. One solution: higher efficiency. Larger and more intricate strips can be picked in a single operation, greatly reducing cutting and installing cycles, simplifying the work to streamline production and double output. EasyPick is more than an upgrade, but also a game change in rubber pickup. Smarter hardware to handle more complex processes and achieve higher productivity. EasyPick rubber installing machine grasps better future with EasyPick.